Good afternoon, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to study about nouns and its gender. So let's start the class. Chapter 5, Nouns, Gender. So first of all, we will understand about gender. So which word tells us about living and non-living things, or male or female? So that is called gender. So basically, four types of gender are here. First is masculine, second is feminine, third is common, and fourth is neuter. Masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. So four types of gender are here. So let's read about them. A noun that denotes a male is said to be of the masculine gender. So which thing are related to male? Those things are called masculine gender. Suppose I say that boy, that's a male. Man, I say that's also male. Brother, father, king, dog. So these all the words are related to masculine gender, right? Second is feminine gender. A noun that denotes a female is said to be of the feminine gender. So which nouns tells us about the female gender, that is feminine gender? Like girl, that's a female, woman, sister, mother, queen, bitch. These all the words are related to female. So we can say them feminine gender. Okay. Third is a noun that can denote both a male and a female is said to be of the common gender. So which noun can be male or can be female? So that noun is called common gender. Suppose I say baby. So it can be male or it can be female. Child, parent, teacher, pupil, student, person, doctor, player, cousin, friend, neighbor, bird, etc. So all of the words are related to common gender, which can be male and which can be female, right? And fourth is that a noun that denotes a non-living thing is said to be of the neuter gender, right? Which things are non-living things, those are called neuter gender, like book, pen, chair, car, wood, gold, school, etc. are of the neutral gender, right? So dear students, here we have understood about four types of gender. First is masculine, M for masculine and M for male. Related to male genders are called masculine gender. Second is feminine, F for feminine and F for female. So which are the females related to female? Those nouns are called feminine gender. Common, which common gender means which can be male or which can be female, and neuter, which are the non-living things. And now B point, collective nouns like crew, flock, class, army denote collections of living beings. For the example, class is a collection of students and students are living beings. Similarly, army is a collection of soldiers and soldiers are living beings too. But collective nouns are thought to be of a neuter gender. So dear students, in this B point, we have to understand whenever we talk about the collective nouns, so all the collective nouns are neuter gender. And second thing we have to understand, even like collective nouns are, some collective nouns are group of human beings, living beings. Despite it, we need to say them neuter gender. Okay. Now we have understood about masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. So on the behalf of this understanding, dear student, I want to put some question. I want to ask some question and you need to tell me what is the gender of that word. Okay. So if you know the answer, raise your hand. So first word, if I say that laptop, if I say that laptop, so what do you say? Laptop is masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. What is the gender of laptop? Raise your hands. Please let me do some setting from my end so that I can see that you all the students who have raised their hand, please wait a while. Let me do some setting. Okay, yes. Manishita, you please come. Manishita, just unmute yourself and please tell me, if I say laptop, what is the gender of laptop?
Neuter gender.
Neuter gender. Yes, very good, because it's a non-living thing. Yes, very good, Manishita. You are given the right answer. Next, if I say that driver, if I say that driver, so what is the gender of driver? Raise your hand if you don't know your answer. Please down your hand. Anant Mehta, you please tell me, Anant Mehta, if I say driver,
Sir,
so what is the
common. Sir, common.
common? Yes, driver can be male or female. So we can say that driver is common gender. It's very good, right answer. Next, if I say that, let me think. If I say that mm, dog, if I say that dog, so what is the gender of dog? Who will tell me? Dhruv, please you tell me. If I say dog, what is the gender of dog?
Sir, masculine.
Yes, masculine gender, because it is related to male. Very good, right answer. So if I say that, let me think. If I say that voter, if I say that voter, what is the gender of voter? Who will let me know? Read, you please tell me, if I say voter, what is the gender of voter?
Sir, neuter gender.
Neuter gender. Yes, very good, right answer, because we are talking about non-living things. Good, very good. Okay. If I say that principal, if I say that principal, so a principal, so what is the gender of a principal? What is the gender of a principal word? Let me think. Ansh, you please tell me. Ansh, you please come forward, unmute yourself. Sorry, Ansh, I didn't get your answer. I didn't get your answer. Ansh, please again tell me. What is
Sir,
the
common gender.
yes, common gender? Yes, right answer, because a principal can be male or it can be female. Okay, yes, very good, right answer. If I say, let me think. Hmm, father. If I say father, what is the gender of father? It's a very easy. Vivek Man, you please tell me.
Sir, masculine gender.
Yes, masculine gender. Yes, very good, right answer. So on the behalf of dear students, some exercise are here. So let's do these exercise. Please down your hand, everyone. Please down your hand. One or two words are left. I want to ask about you, about them from you. So dear students, if I say that staff, if I say staff, like you know that a group of employees are called as staff, like a teachers, a group of teachers is, we can say them staff. So if I say staff, what is the gender of staff? Who will tell me? Nikunj, you please tell me, if I say staff, it is a collective noun. So what is the gender of staff?
Sir, common gender.
No, beta, that's neuter gender. You can read in B point, collective nouns, all the collective nouns. Okay. So all the collective nouns, we need to say them in neuter gender, right? Okay. If I say that hmm, bunch, a bunch, a bunch of anything. So if I say a bunch, bunch means gucha. So what is the gender of bunch? A bunch. Sai Pratik, you please tell me. Sai Pratik, you please tell me. If I say, I think like network issues from his side. Okay. Pariniti Batra, sorry, Praneet Batra. Praneet Batra, you please tell me, if I say bunch, it's a collective noun. What is the gender of a bunch? I request all the students. Sorry.
Sir, Newton gender.
Yes, neuter gender. Yes, very good, right answer. Last question regarding this. If I say a team of players, a team, I want to say a team. If I say a team, what is the gender of our team? Who will let me know? Lavisha and Lucky, you please tell me. Our team.
Sir, Newton gender.
Yes, neuter gender. Dear students, this point we need to remember that whenever we talk about any type of collective nouns, so those collective nouns are all neuter gender, right? Good, please right answer. Next exercise on the behalf of this. So some words are here. Some words are here. You need to tell me their gender. First exercise is that give the feminine gender of these nouns. First word is waiter. So masculine genders are written here. You need to write the feminine gender of waiter. What is the feminine gender of waiter? Please tell me. Who will tell me? Let me see. Let me see. Neha 6 Newton. She has gone. Anant Mehta, you please tell me. Anant, what is the
Sir, क्या बताना?
waiter? Waiter का feminine gender क्या है? First, that's written here, waiter. What is the feminine gender of waiter? Okay, I think he doesn't know the answer. Vivek Man, you please tell me. What is the
Sir,
feminine? Huh?
Sir, waiter.
Waiter word is written there. What is the feminine gender of waiter? Waiter
Sir,
का
waiter.
no waitress. Feminine gender of waiter is waitress, right? Second is monk. Second is monk word, M-O-N-K, monk. What is the feminine gender of monk word? Who will let me know? What is the feminine gender of monk word? Raise your hand. Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Please wait. Okay, yes, please tell me what is the feminine gender of monk. Let me ask from Ansh. Ansh, you please tell me. Ansh, what is the feminine?
MONKES.
No, you are telling me plural of this. बेटा आपको इसका सिंगुलर और प्लूरल नहीं बताना, आपको इसका जेंडर बताना है. Monk is like male. You need to tell the female of monk. Feminine gender you have to tell me. Okay, I tell you that is nun, N-U-N. Next is stag. Next is stag, S-T-A-G. Stag means heron. So what is the feminine gender of stag? Can you tell me? Feminine gender of stag. Dhruv, you please tell me. We have studied already these all the things. Now revision is going on. Sorry. Sorry. No. But you are telling me is plural of stag. but actually you need to tell me feminine gender, and feminine gender of stag is hind. These all the things are in your book and we have already studied, so revision is going on. That's why I just we have come on the exercise. Okay, so next is that what is the feminine gender of cock? COCK. What is the feminine gender of cock? Who will let me know? Let me see. Sai Pratik, you please tell me.
Sir, hen.
And very good, very easy answer. You have given that right answer. Very good. Okay, next is that.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Next is that colt. 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 That's coal in Hindi. बछड़ा, किसी जैसे गाय का बछड़ा होता है. That's called colt. So what is the feminine gender of colt word? Can you tell me? Colt. Feminine gender of colt. Anant Mehta. Raise your hand. Okay. I think he doesn't know the answer. Akshita, you please come forward and tell me the answer. Colt. Filly. That's called filly. FILLY. Very good. Right answer. Next is master. What is the feminine gender of master? Master. Who will let me know? Yes, mistress. Yes, very good. Right answer. Next is that earl. Earl. Who will tell me the earl means king of like in British, like to king we say earl. Who will tell me the feminine gender of earl? Let me find out. Lavisha, class 6 clam. You please tell me. Lavisha.
Countess.
Countess. That's called countess. Very good. Right answer. COUNTESS. Countess. Yes, very good. Right answer. Next is that milkman. Milkman. What is the feminine gender of this? Raise your hand, please, if you know. Let me see. Vivek Man, you please tell me. Vivek, you please tell me. What is the feminine gender of milkman?
Sir, milk woman.
Milkmaid, actually. Here we need to write milkmaid. Yes. Okay. Good. Good try. Next, duke. Duke. What is the feminine gender of duke? Duke बोलते हैं शासक को. ब्रिटेन में duke बोलते हैं वहां पे. So duke. What is the feminine gender of duke? Let me see. Dhruv. You please tell me, Dhruv. It's called DUCHESS. Good, very good. You have
Yes.
tried very well. Next is that he bear. He bear means bhalu. He bear. What is the feminine gender of he bear? Who can tell me? It's very easy. Yashman, you please tell me. Yashman. Yashman, please tell me.
She bear.
He bear. Very means good answer. Very easy answer. Very good. Next is that gander. That's called gander. Gander बोलते हैं हंस को, मेल हंस को. So what is the feminine gender of gander? GANDER. Gander. What is the feminine gender of gander? Akshita, you please tell me. Gander. What is the feminine gender of? Yeah, goose. GOOSE. Yes, right answer. Next, governor. Next is governor. What is the feminine gender of governor? Dhruv, please tell me. Okay, I think
governess.
yes,
Sir,
governess.
governess.
Yes, right answer. Next exercise 2. Please come on the next exercise. Give the masculine gender of these nouns. Okay, this exercise we will do later. I think third exercise and fourth exercise we should do first because we don't have much time. So let's come on the third exercise first. Okay, if we get time, then we will do the second exercise. So first is that speak out the gender of the underlying nouns. So some words are here, those have been underlined. So we need to tell that what is the gender of those words, okay, which are underlined. First is that Richard invited his friend to his new house. So in this sentence, three words are underlined: Richard, friend, and house. Please tell me what is the gender of Richard. I tell you it's a name. Can you guess what is the gender of Richard? Anant Mehta, you please tell me. Richard,
Sir,
friend.
masculine. Sir, masculine. Masculine.
Masculine, yes, very good. And friend,
सर
gender
फ्रेंड का भी masculine नहीं सर वो common.
common, because friend can be male or female. Yes, very good, right answer. And house,
सर house का सर neutral.
neutral. Yes, very good. So Richard is masculine gender, and friend is common gender, and house is neutral gender. Yes, very good, right answer. Next, the wife surprised her husband with the tickets to the stadium. The wife surprised her husband with tickets to the stadium. So four words are there here which are underlined, like wife, husband, tickets, and stadium. So please tell me the gender of these words. Raise your hand who can tell me. Manishita, you please tell me. Manishita, you are audible. Please speak that. What is the gender of these nouns: wife, husband, tickets, and stadium? Okay, Read, you please tell me.
सर वाइफ तो है फीमेल जेंडर.
Female means what do we say it? Feminine gender, feminine. Okay,
फैमिली.
feminine,
सर
feminine.
हस्बैंड.
Hmm.
हस्बैंड.
Hmm. Good, please.
वाइफ.
Huh? Gender of husband,
सर
masculine.
masculine gender and
Masculine.
tickets.
Hmm.
Tickets are
Tickets are no
neuter
living things.
gender.
Yes, and stadium. Very good. You are giving the right answers.
Sir, stadium
Stadium.
is neuter gender.
Yes, very good. Right answer. Wife is feminine gender. Husband is masculine gender. Tickets and stadiums are neutral gender. Yes, very good. You have given the right answers. Third sentence: the teacher has taken her class to a museum. The teacher has taken her class to a museum. So three words are here: teacher, class, and museum. So please tell me the nouns, or means like gender of these nouns. Let me see who can give me the answer. Nikunj, you please tell me. Nikunj, please tell me. Third sentence.
Common gender, class
Teacher.
neuter gender, museum neuter gender.
Yes, teacher, that's a common gender. Class and museum, these are the neutral gender, because teacher, if I say teacher, so it can be male or sorry, male, or it can be female. Okay, so teacher is common gender. Next, the player. And one thing is more, class is also neutral gender. I have told you, class, that is a collective noun. So all the collectives nouns are neutral gender, right? Next, the player retired from the match because of an Injury. Yes, the player retired from the match because of an injury. So tell me the gender of these nouns. Let me see who can give me the answer. Vivek Man, you please tell me. Vivek Man, please tell me.
Sir, player, common gender, match, neutral gender, injury, neutral gender.
Player, common gender, match. What is the gender
Sir,
of match?
neutral gender.
Neutral
Sir,
gender. Yes,
neutral.
yes, very good. And injury also, that's neutral gender. Yes, player, it can be common, means it can be any male or female. So that's why it's like a common gender. Match and injury, these are the non-living things. So these are the neutral gender. Very good, right answer. Now come on the next exercise. Rewrite these sentences, changing the underlying nouns to their opposite gender. Make other changes where necessary. So, dear students, in this exercise, first of all, you have to change the gender of these nouns. So, you have to use opposite gender. Suppose like a man is written there, so you have to use woman. Okay, milkman is written there, so you have to use milkmaid. Okay, so opposite gender you have to write, and according to this, if there will be need of any change, so you have to do that. Okay, so first sentence, the milkman had made, so he had only one cow left in his shed. So who will tell me the right answer of this sentence? Please raise your hand. Let me see who can tell me. Neha 6 Newton, you please tell me, beta. Neha, please try to give.
Had
Firstly, we
sir
need to write. Again, start from starting. The milk
the milkmaid
had.
had
Very good.
only one bull
One
left one bull
left. Very good.
left in her shed.
Yes, in her shed. Very good. Right answer. The milkmaid had only one bull left in his in her shed. Yes, very good. Because we are talking about, yes, her shed. Yes, very good. Good. Right answer. Come on, the second sentence. The Duchess attended the King's Ball. The Duchess attended the King's Ball. So please tell me how to write this sentence. I tell you, Duchess, gender of this opposite gender of this, Duke. So firstly, you need to say the Duke. Who will tell me? Let me see. Ansh Verma, you please tell me how to say the second sentence.
The Duke attends the Queen Ball.
Yeah, the Duke attended the Queen's Ball. Very good, right answer. So next sentence, the hunter spared the stag's life. The hunter spared the stag's life. So change the gender first and use those gender in this sentence. Who will tell me? Anant, you please tell me. Anant Mehta, you please tell me. थर्ड सेंटेंस में जो जेंडर है उनको चेंज करके बताओ.
सर हंटर का होगा हंट्रेस.
या हंट्रेस. गुड. स्पेयर्ड द.
स्टैग का होगा horse.
No, that's the hind. Huntress spared the hind's life. Okay. Last sentence. Mr. Khanna took his bride to Italy for a vacation. So what can we say this sentence if we change the gender of these nouns? Who will let me know? Dhruv, sorry, Sai Pratik, you please tell me. Sai Pratik, you please tell me. Mr. Khanna took his bride to Italy for a vacation. After changing the genders of these nouns, how to say this sentence? Please tell me.
Sir, Mr. Khanna ka Mrs. Khanna.
No. Yes, Mrs. Khanna. Very good. Mrs. Khanna took bride. Bride means dulhan, and if we need to say dulas, then we need to say groom. Okay, so we need to say here, Mrs. Khanna took her groom to Italy for a vacation. Right? Okay, so it's enough for today. So now, dear friends, a few minutes are left. If you want to ask any question regarding today's class, then please come forward, raise